Due to the popularity of our original target tent, we went a step further to increase the realism and recreational aspects of a reusable target system. The actual target hangs from the inside of the tent and not only serves as a realistically sized silhouette, but also contains 8 billiard-style catch pockets, each assigned with different point values. This makes those friendly backyard competitions more fun than ever before. This hanging system also allows you to use different types of targets that will be available in the future. The new full-size target tent can be easily folded up flat and placed in its included carrying case for easy storage. When using Byrna's kinetic rounds, the new full-size target tent is capable of catching and stopping rounds from all of Byrna's launchers, and even the new Byrna 12-gauge rounds. This now allows you to train both outside and inside with confidence. Make sure that you are taking your Byrna training and fun to the next level by using the easiest and most versatile less lethal target system out there, so that if the time comes, you are prepared to defend.